Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable auto download over Wi-Fi in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to find this option and how to change it. So we need to go to settings. In settings we are looking for device care, and in device care we need to open our software update. And here it is. So our auto update will take place if we are connected via Wi-Fi. So this option is a simple on or off switch. There are no other options here. So if we want our auto download to be enabled, we simply need to have this box checked. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.